So it's 2:04 p.m. now. That's what it looks like now. Wow. They built a snowman. And I'm about to unbox my new heater, 360 heater. So this is my new heater that I got. I've actually never had a heating fan before, or a heating device. But it is snowing outside. There's ice hitting the windows outside. So what better time to test it out? Unbox it and test it out. Yeah, I was in Walmart yesterday. I was trying to decide if I should get this one or the Hyper Tough one. I wasn't sure. But 360 sounds cool. I didn't even know they had a 360 camera. But here you go. So, open it up here. It should just be a plug and a play. Let me go and open it up. So here you go. Like I'm not pulling out the GoPro or anything like that. Instruction booklet there. It's you know, there's the plugging device. Super simple. I just want to turn it on and show you what it's like. But here you go. So, yep, picture up there. Well, this is it. You know, I'm not expecting much. I'll take it out of the bag and I'll go test it out. Here you go. That's what it looks like next to the box. So, let's see what it is like. And hold on, I'll get like a water bottle. And here's a water bottle next to it. You can see how big it is. Alright, so let me go test it out. And yes, there's a cord. Unfortunately, like if the power goes out, unfortunately. They don't have any battery powered ones or anything. That's why I never bought one over the years before. But so far, the electricity's still on. Okay, so I have it plugged in, and as you can see, it's snowing outside here. So, should be pretty simple. That's all I was looking for. Heating setting is off right now. I'll put it on low. Oh wow, it is pretty loud. They said it was loud too. I did hear about that. Right. There you go, thermostat. It was all the way up. Holy crap. So I turned it like halfway here. Yeah, I mean, there's a good amount of heat coming out here. When my hand's up this close, yeah, that's quite a bit of heat. I'll come back in, check in on it later. Oh, there's that button feature, right? If you take it off, it turns off. So that's a safety feature. There's a button, yeah, right there. And that button right there. Right, so if it flips over, it'll turn it off. It is pretty loud. Guess I should have gone with the other one. Oh well. It definitely makes quite a bit of noise. That's like the biggest downside I'm seeing right now. But it's working. Again, I have it halfway because I read comments. People said they don't even turn it up more than that. And here's the high. So the high doesn't make any more noise. Same amount of noise. But there's definitely more coming out. Y'all is heating up fast. Like I said, I'll keep it on low for now. See what happens in the room. Hope nothing catches on fire in here, shouldn't. But there you go. I mean, that's it. This is my review. Like, I can feel the heat from like back here. But obviously it's gonna spread out and turn up higher. Like I feel it way back here. So it's working. Next to my bed here, it's working, and again, that's all I have for now. So anyway, just want to do a quick little review there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you. Now they're building a snowman across the street too. Everyone's building snowmans out here.